Welcome viewers. Here's another aspect under geometric progression, and that is a geometric mean. So what do we mean by geometric mean? Geometric mean is just the term, just like we have a arithmetic mean, the term in between, but this time is positive, is positive. Is the positive square root of the product of the two terms. That is, when you have, let's say we have x, y, z are consecutive terms of geometric progression, then we say this y is the geometric mean if y equals to the square root of product of x and z. So now, if y equals to product of what? Equal to square root of product of x and z, then we say y is the geometric mean. So all these are, they are GP. So we say y is the geometric mean if y equals to square root of x and z. The positive square root of x and z is the geometric mean. So how do we go about this? Since we say x, y, z are GP, and you know, when we are talking about GP, we are talking about generating sequence by multiplication of a number which we call a common ratio. It may be a fraction and it may be a whole number. That is, you may multiply to get the next term, or you may divide by that common ratio to get the next term. Now, since x, y, z are GP, it means the common ratio here will just be r, which equals to second time divided by, so that is y over x, or we say third time divided by second time, that is also z over y. If we go by this, now let's consider this. It means y over x equals to z over y. Cross multiply, we have a y squared equals to x z. Now take the square root, but don't forget y will be positive square root and negative square root of x and z. But the geometric mean is the positive one, meaning what we are going for is y equals to square root of x z. Sorry, x z. Positive square root of x z. You know, it's either positive or negative, but geometric mean is the positive square root of x z. And this is what we mean by geometric mean. Now let's see the application of this. So now here is another example under geometric mean. So the question says, if 3, PQ, 24, PQ and 24 are consecutive terms of an exponential sequence, find the value of P and Q. I can rewrite this question in this form. Insert two geometric mean. Insert two geometric mean between 3 and 24. So it's the same. All what I have here, together with just insert two geometric mean between 3 and 24. So both are the same. Now let's see how to solve this. We are given 3, P, Q, and 24. So looking at this question, we have just 4 terms. We have 4 terms. And that is just 1, 2, 3, 4. Meaning this is our first term, second, third, and fourth. Just like how we solve a question under the arithmetic mean. So now here, our Tn, since these are the terms of a geometric sequence or exponential sequence, so now our Tn by definition equals to a r raised of n minus 1. Now, our first term is given in this question, and the fourth term. Our first term, a equals to 3. Fourth term, which is T4, equals to 24. Now, meaning our T4 equals to A, R raised power of 4 minus 1. And that is A R raised power of 3. Now, what's our T4? Our T4 is 24, meaning, and our first time is 3. So we have we have T4 equals to A raised power of 3. Now, T4 is 24. So 24 equals 3 R raised power of 3. To find the value of R, it's very simple. We divide both sides by 3. So you have 24 divided by 3 equals to R raised power of 3. So 3 goes in 24, that is 8. So we have R raised power of 3 equals to 8. Now, what's the cube root of 8? R equals to cube root of 8. That is R equals to 2. So 2 is the only cube root of 8. Now, R equals to 2. A equals to what? Equals to 3. So we can find the second term. You know, your second term is just T2 equals to AR. This was 2 minus 1, which is AR. And what's our A? Our A is just 3. And our R is 2. So 3 times 2, that's 6. Our T3, which is Q, equals to AR raised power of 2. Because AR raised power of 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So that is AR raised power of 2. And what's our A? 3 multiplied by 2 raised power of 2. 2 raised power of 2 is 4. So 4 multiplied by 3, and that is 12. So our T4, 3 multiplied by 2 raised power of 3. 2 raised power of 3 is 8. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24, and this is it. And that is just a simple way to solve this problem.